Exercise is essential for both your physical and mental health, but many gyms remain closed or at reduced capacity. Buying the best home gym equipment is an easy, convenient solution. And it doesn't have to cost a lot of money. Building a home gym might seem like a daunting task, but you can truly do it on a budget. You also don't need a ton of space. You can focus on a few key pieces of home gym equipment that are affordable. In this video, I will show you the 10 best gym equipment for home on the market this year. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their price quality, durability, and more. For more information, the products I have included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Link the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started the video.
Introducing the Re-Life the power tower stable. You can do pull-ups, chin-ups, dips, knee raise, push-ups.
Save space while working out with the foldable walking treadmill. Built-in shock absorption technology eases impact on your joints while you walk, jog, or run up to 7 miles per hour. Measure your heart rate instantly with the hand pulse sensors. Quickly track your time, distance, speed, pulse, and calories burned with the built-in digital monitor as you climb up the fixed incline. Feel safe and secure with the onboard handrails and sturdy frame that supports users up to 220 pounds in weight. Equipped with transportation wheels and a foldable design, this product can be stored virtually anywhere. Jumpstart your in-home cardio workout with the Sunny Health and Fitness foldable walking treadmill.
This is the Bowflex PR1000 Home Gym, a compact machine driven by Bowflex power rod resistance, delivering a total body workout with nearly unlimited exercise variation. Perform over 25 full body exercises on the PR1000 and get a complete strength workout with 210 pounds of resistance. The harder you work, the harder power rod resistance works for you, delivering life-changing results. The new built-in media rack functions as your personal training platform. It fits any tablet or smartphone and provides access to free Bowflex workouts and video content designed to maximize results. Plus, with 7 free trainer-built workouts right out of the box, you'll get the body you want while leaving the guesswork behind. The included vertical bench press and pulley system allows for incline, decline, and flat angle adjustments to build a defined chest with presses, a strong back with pull-downs, and solid core with ab crunches. The built-in rowing station delivers a go-to calorie-blasting workout. Plus, use the included Bowflex hand grips to develop toned and sculpted arms. With a Bowflex home gym, the variations to your workout are endless. Thanks to the gym-style vertical workout position, you can fit the Bowflex PR1000 into a compact space, taking up less space in your home. Plus, when you're done with your workout, fold the bench up to maximize space, reducing the product footprint by 50%. For efficiency, versatility, and results, no free weight system or weight stack machine even comes close to a Bowflex home gym. The Bowflex PR1000 home gym. Be fit for life.
Now, flat abs and a toned stomach can be yours. With the Perfect Fitness Ab Carver Pro, the new way to a flatter stomach. Invented by the U.S. Navy SEAL who brought you the perfect push-up, it's a revolution in waistline carving results. Just drive forward, stretch and extend the muscles of your core and abs, then return and feel the stomach carving burn. Inside is the Ab Carver Pro's kinetic assist engine. The engine coils up as you extend and then springs you back to keep your workout going. Drive left, right, and center to carve the upper, middle, and lower abs, the inner and outer obliques, plus your chest and arms. So no more sit-ups and crunches. It's only minutes a day for more sculpted arms and a flatter stomach. With its large, stable rubber tires and comfortable ergonomic handles, it works on hard floors and carpets. So here's the deal. The waistline shrinking Ab Carver Pro is only $39.99. Order now and get a set of Perfect Fitness knee pads free. Carve away inches and flatten your stomach with the Perfect Fitness Ab Carver Pro. Call or go online right now.
Invigorate your at-home cardio routine with the Belt Drive Pro 2 indoor cycling bike. Get started and get comfortable with the 4-way adjustable seat and caged foot pedals. Push your limits with the micro-adjustable belt-driven resistance paired with the 40-pound heavy-duty flywheel. Grasp the pulse sensors on the 2-way adjustable handlebar to track your intensity instantly among other performance variables on the digital monitor. Experience your favorite workout entertainment with a convenient device holder. Feel confident on the sturdy steel frame that supports riders up to 275 pounds in weight. When you're done, cool down and simply move the bike out of the way. Challenge yourself to become better with the Belt Drive Pro 2 indoor cycling bike by Sunny Health and Fitness.
The TRX Home Suspension Training Kit comes with the training equipment and workouts you need to earn fast, professional results at home. TRX Home will help you develop a strong core, defined muscles, and a flexible, healthy body that you earn on your own schedule. The TRX Home Kit includes your own authentic TRX Home suspension trainer and a convenient storage bag, options to easily hang it up at home, and modular workouts that you can mix and match to earn the results you want. Make the world your gym and train anywhere. Use the TRX door anchor to set up your TRX at home, or take your training outside with the suspension anchor. Pro trainers develop the TRX Home modular workouts as intense 15 and 30-minute sessions. They fit your busy schedule and help you reach your goals in the time you have. The TRX Home workouts come ready to view on your tablet or a mobile device, or just follow the printed workouts included in your kit. Born in the Navy SEAL teams, the TRX suspension trainer is used in every branch of military service by top pro athletes in all major sports and in the best gyms in the world. Now, TRX brings the experience home for you.
I was introduced to the TRX by my weight coach. I gave it a shot. The next morning I was so sore in all those great places like lower abs, core muscles, and from there on I was hooked.
When you don't have time to hit the gym or see your personal trainer, TRX Home gives you the strength, energy, flexibility, and endurance you need to get the body you want.
You can increase how much time you're putting into each exercise. I suggest starting with about 20 to 30 seconds each exercise and circuit through back and forth those two exercises for 2 to 3 sets. Choose your power reel carefully. Your yellow is your lightest resistance, then we got blue in the middle, and red is your toughest one. Go out there, let us know how you're doing, and enjoy your power.